In India, heavy rains are expected to continue across large swathes of Maharashtra. The India Meteorological Department has issued orange and yellow alert for several districts. Red alert was also issued in Thane and Raigad. The IMD's red alert indicates the likelihood of rainfall exceeding 204.4 millimeters within a 24-hour period. As of this morning, the Mumbai metropolitan region has already recorded significant downpours. The relentless rainfall has led to widespread waterlogging, disrupting daily life. Suburban train services have also been affected. With several tracks submerged underwater, commuters have been urged to avoid non-essential travel. And for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report. Take a look.
India's financial capital city Mumbai woke up to heavy showers on Monday morning due to the overnight heavy rainfall that took place, which led to waterlogging in few of the low-lying areas when people left for work on Monday morning, disrupting traffic vehicular movement for a brief period. But apart from that, in the rest of the city, the situation seemed to be very much normal, like a usual working day. The IMD issued a red alert, but they also said that the rainfall intensity won't be as high as what the city witnessed few weeks ago. So definitely the people can plan their travel as scheduled. The flights were also running on time. The local lifelines were also not affected due to the heavy showers, and they were running smoothly. Only in certain places, due to the waterlogging in the low-lying areas, there were disruption in the traffic vehicular movement, but it was also eased out after a brief period. The authorities have, however, cautioned people that because of the red alert, the warning to take care while traveling, but overall the situation seemed to be normal in the city. This is Ishasha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.
Meanwhile, the national capital, Delhi, is experiencing a shift as the monsoon begins to retreat. The city has been witnessing cloudy skies and increased humidity, with temperatures hovering around 35 degrees Celsius. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast very light to light rainfall for Delhi over the coming days, with no weather alerts currently in effect.